Alright, guys. Today's episode we're talking about programming fundamentals, Python, C, or Java. The breakdown is the basics of coding, logic building, and syntax formats. C++, we have the normal C, we have the Python, we have Java. This is just the basic part of programming before you get to other aspects. But everything that has to do with programming languages, you find them under this. Programming is the art of giving computers instructions to perform tasks regardless of the language. The basic principles remain consistent. The core concepts, we have them variables, that are storage containers for data, e.g., that's for example, name equals to Alice. You see the way it's been written, you see the way it's been structured. So we have the data types, we have types of values such as numbers, for example, int and floats. Then we have text, which is strings, and we have the boolean, which is true or false. So we also have what we call operators. Now these are the examples of operators. Considering the plus, minus, the asterisk, the slash, and the equals to sign. Then the control structures. That's the direct program flow. Then we have the conditionals. This is if, else, or make decisions. And we have the loops for or while you use it to repeat actions. As you want to repeat an action, this is where loops come in. Conditionals, where you want to make decisions, those are when those come in. Then logic building, this is the creative problem solving part. We break problems down into different steps that the computer can understand, the computer can follow. Yeah, that's why it's something that only the computer can understand, except you. That's why you learn it properly so that you can construct it. So whatever you're telling the computer to do, it's going to do it exactly as you programmed it to do. Just like how you built a robot or something. So you are going to configure its setup and it's programming to follow your settings. Whatever you tell it to do is what it's going to be doing. For example, we have algorithms, step-by-step instructions to solve a task, flowcharts, and pseudocode. That's planning tools before writing real code. And definitely now we have so many tricks and tips. Even with the influx of AI, the coding has been made easy. So you might not really need to crack your head to write down so many codes. You just have to have a prompt and take it to whichever AI you're using, and it's done for you. So these are syntax examples across languages. So you can see the concepts, the print output, the declare interface, then the if statement, and the loop. So this is for Python, C, and Java. You can see the syntax, print. This is how it's being set up with the hello. And that for C, you can see that for Java. This is how it's going to be done. Then for the declare interface, this is how it's going to be inputted, and the if statement. So each language has its strengths. Python is beginner friendly. C is powerful and close to hardware, and Java is great for large applications. So I don't advise anybody to start learning from Java. I prefer or I advise you start with C and C++, then you go to Python, and if you want to, you will now learn Java. Thank you.